wet I can get these electronics. My iPhone took a little bath today. It's working though. Try the front door. People shoveling. There's my new salt, which I'm not allowed to use now because I was told it would ruin these metal stairs. Well, one time I tried to be domestic, our house maintaining, property maintaining. This is the thing I get. That's it. It's cool how it looks blue outside. The color temperature, I love that. I really love that. It's Italy and Paris, actually. Big Italy, little Paris. I heard somebody say, I read somewhere today, it's really funny, I don't agree, but the best thing about London is Paris. It's really funny, actually. Not true, but funny. This is what I do most of my time. TV, computer, iPhone, iPod, remotes. Little mouse over there. And then the thing I have in my hand. And then the camera over there. That really awesome camera that I don't use that much anymore. It's a Zeiss lens. You know what I'm saying? This is a New Yorker cover, which I love. It's a minimalist Christmas. How awesome is that? Leave it to the crazy New Yorkers. It's Crazy New Yorker magazine. Alright, I wish I could get some more snow footage. Maybe tonight I'll go out to the pond or something. That'd be cool. It's gorgeous though. Isn't snow beautiful? Okay, off.